Good morning, everybody. Last day we had studied the definition of electrostatics, frictional electricity, applications of electrostatics, definition of electric charge, and a table by which we have find out on rubbing two bodies which type charge is gained by which body. And then we had studied about the three methods of charging. First method by rubbing, second method was by conduction, and third method was by induction. After this we have to start the basic properties of electric charge. So you can note these properties. These properties are as following. First, like charges repel each other. It means positive charged body or negative charged body repel each other. Second property, unlike charges attract each other. It means the positively charged body attract the negative charged body, and negative charged body attract the positively charged body. Now third property is additive property. Now you can note this property, additive property. According to this property, the total charge on a body or system is equal to the algebraic sum of the charges present on it. You can understand this. Suppose this is a body having the different charges. This is minus q, this is plus 5q, and this is minus 2q. At this time you will see there are three charges, static charges are present on this body. This is minus q, plus 5q, minus 2q. You will see the total charge on this body q will be equals to algebraic sum of these charges, minus q plus 5q plus minus 2q. Minus 2q and q becomes minus 3q, and this will be equals to 2q. But this 2q is positive charge. So you can understand easily this property by this example. After this, the next property, fourth property, that is quantization of charge. Fourth property is quantization of electric charge. Electric charge. You can note the definition of this or statement of this property. According to this property, the total charge on a body always exists in the integral multiple form of electronic charge. Now I repeat the definition. the total charge, according to this property, the total charge on a body is always exist in the integral multiple form of electronic charge. That is if the charge q is present on a body, so this charge q will be equals to plus minus Ne, where E is the electronic charge, N is the integer number. So by this formula we can write the quantization of electronic charge, or we can understand the quantization of electric charge. In this, a question arises कि why the charge present on a body follow the integral multiple form, means quantization of charge. So the cause of the quantization of electric charge, since we know that when we rub two bodies against each other, then due to friction a complete number of electrons transfer from one body to another body. These electrons may not be in the form of fraction, that's why it follows the quantization of electronic charge. It means कि suppose a body is losing electrons, so it will be lose in the form of complete number, not in fraction form. That's why it follows the quantization charge. Now, drawback of this: in recent years, some particles are discovered such that which has the charge in the fraction form of electronic charge, and these particles are known as quarks. What? Quarks. Quarks. So these quarks have the charge in the fraction form. These quarks are like a quark. A quark has the plus 2/3 E charge. Anti-quark, opposite of this, anti-quark it has the charge minus 2/3 E. Down quark has the charge plus 1/3 down quark. D equals to 1/3 plus 1/3 E. Anti down quark has the charge D bar minus 1/3. Like this, other quarks are strange quark, top quark, bottom quark, like this. After this, the next property, that is fifth property, and that property is known as conservation of electric charge. Next property is conservation of electric charge. According to this, note down the definition or statement of this property. According to this property, the total charge of an isolated system always remains constant. I repeat, the total charge on an isolated system always remains constant. You can understand this. Suppose you have a glass rod and you rub this glass rod with silk. So at this time, as we had studied, glass rod will get which type charge? Positive charge. Which type charge? Positive charge. And silk get negative charge. So suppose in this process, glass rod is losing 2 electrons. How many electrons? 2 electrons. So in this process you will see the glass rod will get the plus 2e charge and silk will get the minus 2e charge. It means before rubbing them, what was the charge on both? 0. Both were neutral. कैसे थे? Neutral. It means before rubbing, the total charge Q equals to 0 plus 0 equals to 0. After rubbing, the total charge Q will be equals to Qg plus Qs. It means plus 2e plus minus 2e and it becomes again 0. It means that before rubbing both, the total charge was 0 and after rubbing them, the total charge again 0. It means it is following the conservation of electric charge. And the next and last property of this electric charge, sixth property, invariant nature of electric charge. According to this property, the total charge on a body always remains constant whatever the speed of the system or charged body. So it is sufficient for today. Okay.